In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mesmerizing gradient in Adobe Express. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your text or a pop of color to your background, learning how to craft and apply gradients can take your designs to the next level. So, let's dive right in. Begin by opening up Adobe Express. You can either start fresh with a new design or open an existing project where you'd like to add that beautiful gradient effect. With your design ready, your next step is to select the element you want to embellish with a gradient. This could be any object within your project, whether it's a background, a simple shape, or even some text. Clicking directly on the object will help you activate it for the next steps. Now that you have your element selected, it's time to open the color picker, which you'll find on the left-hand panel. Here, you have the options to adjust the fill, border, or outline of your element depending on what effect you're after. Once the color picker is open, look for the option that says Custom. You'll switch from the default solid color to either a linear gradient or a radial gradient. Linear gradients transition smoothly from one side of the element to the other, giving a layered effect, while radial gradients originate from the center and radiate outward, creating a focal point of color. Decide which of these options suits your design best and go ahead and select it. After choosing your gradient type, it's time to add a splash of color. You'll notice a gradient bar on your screen. By clicking the plus icon on this bar, you can add up to 5 different color stops or swatches. These swatches allow you to customize the gradient by dragging them along the bar to adjust how the colors transition or blend together. Feel free to experiment with the positioning to achieve the desired spread of colors. If you're not satisfied with the default direction the gradient takes, don't worry. You have the option to change the gradient's direction. By using the invert option, you can flip the gradient 180 degrees. For a linear gradient, you can additionally rotate the direction by different degrees, like 45 degrees, to create a unique angle that complements your design. Finally, if you're at a loss for inspiration or just want to save some time, Adobe Express offers a range of 20 preset gradients that might just have what you're looking for. These can be found in the Swatches section within the color picker. The presets can offer a quick solution or serve as inspiration for crafting your custom gradients. And there you go. By following these steps, you can transform your simple elements into vibrant pieces of art with gradients in Adobe Express. Keep experimenting and have fun creating. Thanks for watching.